All right, hey, let's do an update on the hot tub pad since it's been 2-3 years now. I'm trying to remember right now as I was outside looking at this thing and wanted to do an update. All right, so in this update, I don't know what, I forget what part this is, part 5 or 6, but I wanted to show again kind of where things are at. People always like to see the follow-ups. It's been a few years, and I just want to do a walk around. This will probably be similar to, I did a follow-up on, I think it was like a 1 year out type thing, or maybe 2 year out thing. Just kind of wanted to show things. We have noticed nothing has really changed. I mean, honestly, nothing has changed other than we know that the wood, we're going to have to retreat and restain the wood there just because it's getting discolored. You get some, chlorinated water that splashes out. It's in the sun, and so that stuff gets faded out. So still super happy with what we did here and how it all turned out. The hot tub has not been sitting any more funny. It's not like it's settled, on one side or not. The water level staying exactly where we had it when we put it in. So, yeah, just giving another update for anyone who's curious about, hey, how things are down the road. That's where they are. Again, 2 to 3 years out. Hopefully this helps you in making a good decision or a good choice on what you want to do with your hot tub.